Hey guys, welcome back! In today's video I would like to talk about 3-point perspective, or how to draw a dramatic scene using perspective drawing rules. You can download the free PDF that I will link in the description below, with also my ebook Start Sketching if you are interested. So perspective is one of the fundamentals you need to understand in order to create realistic and believable scenes. This is about creating the illusion of depth by representing objects in a three-dimensional space. There are different types of perspective. I have made a lot of videos about it that I will link in the description, but in this video I will talk only about 3-point perspective because this is the one that can help you create dramatic scenes, emphasize dramatic angles, and extreme foreshortening. So first, here is a quick reminder. Let's start with basic shapes by drawing boxes and cylinders using 3 vanishing points. Using this logic, I'm going to make a quick sketch of the Sacré-Cœur and how it is going to look in 3-point perspective, seen from above, like a bird's eye view. I just draw straight lines across my paper and find where to place the vanishing points. Starting with basic shape is an excellent way to simplify complex objects and break them down into more manageable parts. I use light, loose lines to sketch the outline of my building and structural components. Starting with simple shapes will allow you to easily make adjustments and refine your drawing as you progress. Great, now I will continue on Procreate, so I just scan the drawing and open it there. When I see that the overall proportion of the building looks right, I start adding details to give my drawing depth and dimension. To give my drawing depth and dimension, I add shadows and shading. This is what makes the building come to life. That's all for this video. I hope this was helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so learn how to draw these basic shapes in perspective. Let me know in the comment below what would you like to see more on the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!